So right now, my G's, you don't know, say it's a different day, so it's a new vlog. And right now, today is actually Halloween, and I'll probably post the vlog, yeah. Tomorrow, I'm not sure yet. But yeah, today is actually Halloween. I'm not doing nothing for Halloween. I make an Instagram video with me and my idiot white girl, so jump over to Instagram, FamousSosick. Figure watch that. And today right now, I'm about for, from the week start, me I feel for something there. Stewed peas. From week start, I just a feel for stewed peas, because stewed peas are something me used to. I love stewed peas, but from me stop consume meat and all them something there, but that thing, I can't consume the stewed peas now, because I used to just love stewed beef and, you know what I mean, pig steel and all of them something in my stewed peas. But now that me not consume meat, me never feel the urge for no stewed peas. But today me gonna try it a different way. Me gonna try make stewed peas with saltfish. That gonna be the meat for today. So me just gonna make it like a ital stewed peas, but instead of meat or anything, me just gonna use saltfish. And stewed peas normally only consume with white rice. Yeah, if you get stewed peas, it only makes sense you get white rice. That are the only thing. It complements each other. You know what I mean? So me not eat rice no more. So that are the next thing me I say now what me I go use for that. But me I gonna make cauliflower rice. Me have some cauliflower, me I gonna mince them up and just cook up that and use that for my rice. You know what I mean? Otherwise from that we are deal with in the vlog, yeah. Yeah, for now, cause you sound say Travis are forward and S and all them things. Me don't know how me keep on still a call her S, but okay. Yeah, we're about to jump in the kitchen. Mad move forward with me. Right now, we're reaching the kitchen. What me I got to do now is basically do everything and put it one side, so when it's time for adding everything, me already have it prepared. And when me say everything, me mean like me go cut up some carrot, put it aside until the time for the carrot go in. Me go put on my coconut milk, so when the time for that go in, what else? Me add a scallion, thyme, pepper, stuff like that, and me go need the flour to make me roundy dumpling them. And me also go scald the saltfish. But you don't know stewed peas have a kind of salt, it have a salty taste. Me don't know if you explain. Enough is salt, but if it tastes like salt, you know what I mean? But the saltfish me go use, me just go boil it at least one time, so some of the salt stay in it, you know what I mean? Yeah, that me go do for now. I'm gonna go see everything, cause me probably not cut this. So how could I forget? How me even start? And now on me, hey, I forgot to wish you already. I'm gonna put on this, it's official now, you know. Boat are run now. Oh, me already have my peas on the fire. Me soak around an hour now, me I deal with my peas. Me put it for soak, but that take time slow cook my peas. Keep on, when they boil up and the peas rise, me just throw in some cold water and sink back my peas. So now my peas basically done. Yes, my peas basically done. What me I gonna add to it now is more put in the carrot first, and then me do the coconut milk, and then me season the pot. And add the saltfish, nothing more to it. Yeah. So alright, what me I look for? Carrot. Can't bother open the bag here, so I rip your bag up. Them carrot here, big watch out. Some jumbo carrot them. Pot ready for the carrot already, so as I cut them up, then can just go straight in. Pot bubble up. As you can see, peas them nice and touch up. Peas them nice, them not too soft yet, because you don't know them still have some way to go, but them cook, but them not fully cook. By the time we add in carrots, schooners, all of them something there, by the time it finish, them are gonna finish. Alright, so yo, them carrot here fake, you know. Well, sometimes I see some people get some carrot at Jamaica, some big something. But the carrot just look weird. So once again, we are make stewed peas without no meat. Well, the meat are gonna be saltfish. Now I mean, it's a like a ital stewed peas. So peas, carrot, coconut milk, all of them nice stuff there. And schooners. My phone in a pocket of that, I don't know what text me. So around this amount of carrot I cut up, I'm not sure if I ever want more. I need a small one, so I just use the next small one. Yeah, when you hard to stop eat meat, you know, that's the hardest thing. The hardest, alright. You see when I say I'm gonna stop eat meat, it take me like a year before me actually do it. Cause around a year now, I say I'm gonna stop eat meat and I'm gonna stop eat rice. But that's the hardest thing for do. And the hardest part is for just start. Starting at the hardest part. Cause once you start, And they always think say too expensive and eating chicken cheaper, rice cheaper. It's cheaper, yes, but inexpensive. And if you want to eat right, pay for it, eat right. You know what I mean? So, alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make that go and boil. Meanwhile, I soon add in my coconut milk. Round 2 coconut milk, I'm going to add to that. Yeah, I'm link on the back, I'm going to need flour after this. That's not ready yet. So I'm going to just cut this for now, and when I'm ready up again to do something, I check in back with you now. Mad move. Alright, now what we are going to do now is saltfish. I look at pot for boiling saltfish. Don't know, we have some boneless, make life way easier. We probably just use the whole of this. I'm going to use the whole pack. So, the whole pack of this I'm about to use. Remember, we don't want it saltfish. We want the saltfish to taste like saltfish. We want to taste the salt in it. So we just have to boil it at least one time before we add it in the pot. And the saltfish are going to be the last thing we add to the pot. So right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how I talk when I say I'm going to make the cauliflower rice. Alright, I'm showing you how to deal with it, how to start with it. I have my little processor, you know what I mean? And I have my cauliflower. I have my blade in it, and I'm going to mince up the cauliflower. So all you do, just chop them in just like that. And you see if them are the dry, I could have actually grated them, use a grater and grate it and it come like rice, same way. You can see what I'm going. Yeah. Show me what I want. So right now, it mince up. So it look like rice to me already. It look like rice. Remember, if you don't have no food processor, none of them something, or blender, you can just grate it as I said, but the way the cauliflower have to 100% dry. So it come out here. It look like one plate of white rice, right? Tricks, people, tricks. One plate of white rice. What I'm going to do now, I'm not ready to cook this yet. So I'm just going to put on this and go and finish, do everything, and then me deal with this. Side. Alright, my G's, so right now the soup is basically done cook. All me do, I just left to make it pot. Cook down, you know what I mean? The dumpling them cook out good and everything. And we're basically ready after that. Now me I go cook the rice, I'm gonna say cauliflower rice. Alright, so the rice now all me do, I put some butter in the pot and then me just throw the cauliflower in it, sprinkle a little salt on it, and all we need to do, I just cook this for like 3-4 minutes and we're good. See there? Watch out. I tell you, know. Look like rice. Cauliflower rice. Simple method. Simple method. All me do, put little butter in the pot. You don't even have to use butter. You can use like oil and just like salt and just, yeah. So right now you don't know, say food done. And everything looking splendid. Cauliflower rice over here. Yeah, over here. So me that try fancy up my food, share out it. Watch what's over there. Yo, me go I try put some parsley on it for decoration, and that's why I end up sharing this. And the whole of the parsley turn over, so me have to eat out of the small plate here, you know. Know what I mean? Vital is vital, dog. Dumpling ain't hot. Me Jesus. Vital is vital. Vital is definitely vital. So right now, food is here. I mean, I go too far. I'm eating it right here.
Make it plate drop.
Yo, the broccoli, the cauliflower. It's bad, you know. That's rice.
I don't know. I can't eat that.
Cauliflower? Yeah. Yo, it's bad as rice.
See, yo.
Bad as saltfish, soupies. Bad. Only thing missing is some pig steel.
Really bad.
So I don't like, yeah, pimento. Be a little eat their pimento, but me have to cook with them. Yo, this is because I want small plate of food. I just go hurry up and consume this. I couldn't see how fast I eat it, but I go link on the back later. Jonathan, your spoon has been bad. Spoon has been bad, man. Up it.